there, little friends! Today, we're going on a super exciting adventure to learn the alphabet from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's dive in! Now, let's hop over to the letter M. M is for moon. Can you say moon with me? Great job! M is for mango. Can you say mango with me? Excellent! M is for mouth. Can you say mouth with me? Bravo! M is for mouse. Can you say mouse with me? Good job!
Yay!
Now, let's hop over to letter N. N is for nose. Can you say nose with me? Great job! N is for nest. Can you say nest with me? Excellent! N is for nails. Can you say nails with me? Bravo! N is for nature. Can you say nature with me? Good job!
Yay!
Now, let's hop over to letter O. O is for orange. Can you say orange with me? Great job! O is for oil. Can you say oil with me? Excellent! O is for ocean. Can you say ocean with me? Bravo! O is for octopus. Can you say octopus with me? Excellent!
Yay!
Now, let's hop over to letter P. P is for phone. Can you say phone with me? Great job! P is for paper. Can you say paper with me? Excellent! P is for pool. Can you say pool with me? Bravo! P is for popcorn. Can you say popcorn with me? Good job!
Yay!
Ready for more fun and learning? Watch the next video and let the adventure continue. See you there!